How to join random groups on Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you how to join random Snapchat groups easily even if you're new to Snapchat. So let's get started. First things first, open your Snapchat app, tap on the friends icon. From here, simply tap on the search bar. All you need to do is simply search for group or simply search for group chat. Simply find all various group chats, and all you need to do is simply tap on add and it will be shown to your chats over here. But you can also tap on the plus icon at the top and you can simply create a group chat by yourself as well. Simply go to groups as you can see here. Now simply tap on the plus icon. You can choose various people that you want to add and click on create group. For example, let me show you. We can do that by simply choosing like this and tap on create group like this, and you can simply add up to 100 people. And when you do that, you can share snaps and even call. But Snapchat doesn't have a built-in group search, so this is how you can simply do it. And that's it. That's how you can simply join random Snapchat groups